what he said.
A guy at my school said he could throw a football 75 yards at his church. Well, I'm at my church and I'm about to top that.
That was like 69 yards.
Top that, Eli. We're out here grinding. 608. That's Brendan. I like to come here to, absorb. I don't think that's a word, but views from the 608. I like to come here sometimes and look at the birds. Those are some ducks out there.
Ducks.
Yeah, screw
Ducks
dogs.
are the worst.
And
Stupid chickens.
some people just don't understand it like I do. But
Ducks are gay.
Loons more like losers.
those people just don't know.
If you thought this was a nature documentary, you were wrong. This is my world, we're living in it. Big fish, big city. We out. Everett, get over here. Caucasian sensation.